to my channel. Today I have the November Sew Sampler to unbox for you today. If you are unfamiliar with the Sew Sampler, it is a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box. They are $24.95 a month, and I will put information on where you can get the Sew Sampler in the description box below, so just click the show more link. Let's go ahead and get started on unboxing the November box. Okay, so this month's theme is County Fair. And there is a 20% off Aurifil thread coupon on the back. There's also 20% off Martingale books, including pen pals, and they've got promo codes for you on the back there. So that is the theme. And then of course they always have our contents information, and this just includes all of the contents of our box, how much it retails for so that we know what we're getting, and a little bit of information about each product so we know how to use it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for the first product we have Aurifil thread, and this is in the color 2021. It's just a nice soft white color, and this retails for $6.98. I always love getting thread in my boxes. You can never have enough thread, and Aurifil is my all-time favorite. All right, the next one we have is Farm to Garden wall hanging, and this is super cute, and I'm kind of giving you a sneaky peek of the fabric that's probably going to be in our box. You need a charm pack, some background fabric, some fabric for binding, and then a mini cupcake mix recipe card, and then some backing. And then one of my favorite things about the Fat Quarter Shop boxes is I think they're great for beginners. This pattern looks super easy. As always, they tend to put fairly easy, quick patterns in their boxes. They have nice color descriptions on how to make the patterns. This one looks really fun and probably a fairly quick project as well. The 26 inches by 26 inches is the finished size for this. So it's a cute little square wall hanging. It's super cute, and I'm really excited about the fabric that they're showing here. They will have a block tutorial on their YouTube channel, so make sure to check that out. The pattern is retailing for $9.98. Okay, since I just showed the pattern, it does also come with these cupcake mix recipe cards, and they will show you how to use these in the video as well. I want to say I'm not super excited about getting this in a box because honestly I tend to just make my own half square triangles. I think it's a little bit easier. If you're unfamiliar with these though, they are basically like paper templates. So you lay the fabric on top of here, sew along the dash lines, and then cut along the solid lines, and then you tear the paper off the back and you get perfect half square triangles. I think this might be helpful for a beginner, but since I've been quilting for a little bit, I really honestly don't use these, and I've also kind of gotten these in several boxes, so I sort of have a stack growing. I do appreciate that they put it in here because it is used in this pattern, so I get why it's in there. I just feel like I kind of have a lot of these, so on that one. Pattern's still super cute though, but I most likely won't use these. And I forget to tell you prices, sorry. This little packet retails for $2.98, so they're not super expensive. Okay, the next thing that comes in here is our calendar for 2019. This is something they sent out last year as well. It starts with December and then goes down the months like that, and then they have little quilt blocks on the back, so no matter how you have it sitting in your room, you've got something pretty to look at. So just kind of a cute little desktop calendar, sits like this on your desktop. So I did keep mine from last year, so I was kind of excited to see the new one in the box this year. It's kind of cute and just nice to have a little calendar on your desk. You can also use it to keep track of when you started projects. They are kind of a cute little keepsake. And this is a Sew Sampler, a first item, which means we got these first in our boxes before you can get them in the shop, but they do retail for $6.98. Okay, let's move on to the pretty fabric because that's why we're all here. So there is a 5-inch charm pack in here, and this is Garden Variety by Lella Boutique. And I apologize, these are kind of hard to show. They don't flip very well, but beautiful fabric. And as always, Moda makes just this most soft and just high quality feeling fabric. I love it. It's my favorite. Love these dark blues. There's that nice little print. That's super cute. And then the front print. So that is Garden Variety by Lella Boutique. And the charm pack retails for $9.98. There's 42 5-inch pieces in there. And then it also comes with the finishing kit for the quilt. So they've got the white. So they've got the white for the backing, and then they've also got the blue for the binding, and this is, let's see, 7/8 yard of the Bella Solid 9900-200, and 3/8 yard of the Garden Variety Floral for the binding. And this was hand selected by Carrie Nelson for the pattern. It will match perfectly, pop to make your quilt bloom, and these two together retail for $9.98. So you do get quite a bit of fabric in this month's box. All right, guys, here's the entire contents up close. The total value for the November 2018 box was $51.86. So I think that's a pretty good value for the cost. All right, guys, so that is what is in the November Sew Sampler box for 2018. I do like this box. I feel like there was a little more paper in here than normal, but there was actually quite a bit of fabric, so I'm really happy with it. These are probably my favorite products. The fabric for sure, and I think this pattern and little wall hanging looks super cute. And of course the thread. I always love getting thread in my boxes. I'm actually really excited to make this pattern. I think it will be really cute hanging on my wall back here, so that'll be on my project list for sure. Anyways, that is what is in the box this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I love doing these unboxings for you. That way you guys can kind of see what's inside the boxes before you subscribe. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.